Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I want to show you 3 plant-based weight loss snacks. When it comes to cooking, I keep things very simple. There's nothing gourmet around here, and that's what you're going to see with these plant-based weight loss snacks here. So we're going to start off with some popcorn. So first off, if you're new here, I've been vegan or plant-based for 5 years now, and I've lost 100 pounds. So I know a thing or two about weight loss and some good snacks to help you along the way. So what we're going to be doing here is making 3 different types of popcorn. Popcorn is very low in calories, but high. It's like a high volume food. It'll really fill up your bowl, but you know, just an entire bowl full is only like 100 calories. And then we're gonna do 2 different tweaks to it. 2 different tweaks, not 3. Well, 3 total, to create a couple different varieties that you can mix into your daily life when you want something as a snack and you're not gonna be going out and getting a donut or chips or anything like that. So first off, we're going to cook our popcorn. So I should note, I use an air popper. It's important to use an air popper, or maybe you have another way of doing it, but don't use those oil ones where I have oil on the bottom and then it pops it with oil. The olive oil or whatever you use for it, the coconut oil, you'll be ingesting that, and oil is so high in calories, like 3 times more per carb or protein than there is in fat. So you want to definitely stay away from refined oils. My life, I don't consume any refined oils ever. So first we're going to pop our popcorn, and then we'll get to the recipe aspects of this. Okay, so when we've got our air popped popcorn, so this is really simple. Okay, so we've got our little bowl of popcorn here. So we're gonna be mixing, this is a homemade hot sauce, but you can use like a Frank's Red Hot or anything like that. This one I just used some weird rare peppers, that's why it's a weird color in the sriracha bottle. We're gonna be mixing hot sauce and nutritional yeast. So if you never had your nutritional yeast, it tastes like cheese. It just doesn't have any of the saturated fat, cholesterol, or any of the greasiness. So make sure to put your hot sauce on first, even if it's like a wet, really kind of wet liquidy hot sauce like a Frank's Red Hot. Just kind of squirt it all over so you have some wetness, and when you put your nutritional yeast on, it'll stick to it. So in this case, this is a little more of a pasty hot sauce. Just kind of put that all over there. Okay, so something to note, once you do this a few times, you'll end up with a bowl like this, and this is just the excess nutritional yeast that ends up in the bottom. So I always then end up having a little extra, and then I can just keep reusing it. You don't have to throw it away. So in this case, I'm just going to use this. So you can just sprinkle it on there and it'll just start sticking to the popcorn. And a bunch of it won't stick to it and falls through, and you end up with this bowl, and that's fine. So we'll just dump all that in there, and then you can kind of mix it up a bit. So it's just as simple as that. I don't usually mix it too much because then you'll start knocking off the nutritional yeast off of the popcorn, and that's basically it. That's so good. Oh, you eat this all day. 2 variations of this. So we'll start off with popcorn again. So I like to do a ratio of 2/3, there we go, I'm good with math, to 1/3 of cornflakes to popcorn. This is it. You can do the nutritional yeast and hot sauce with this as well, or you can just literally mix this 2/3 to 1/3 like this. That's it. It's pretty simple. You can try, some hot sauce on this as well. They mix so well. So for the last one here, we'll use a nutritional yeast one with the hot sauce, and I like to mix Cheerios, or in this case they're the knockoff Cheerios, because Cheerios have BTH in the packaging, which is a chemical, and my body does not react well to petrochemicals when I eat them. So I go with the knockoff brand because they don't use that. So yeah, same thing, 2/3 to 1/3 ratio. Mix this together, and there you go. It looks a little more fun. But the nice thing about adding the Cheerios to your popcorn, so it's not just the fluffy popcorn, you get the nice crunch in the middle there every once in a while. So very nice, simple snack trick. Yeah, let me know, try this out. Let me know if you enjoy this or if this is a simple tip that you find useful. Be sure to subscribe, join the family here, and until the next one, have a great day.